You walking, Mama? Rah, rah, rah. I'm coming to get you. Rah, 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 rah. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay. Cece, go get the baby. Where's your baby?
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's count your steps. 1, 2, 3,
Yeah.
4. Don't pick stuff off the floor, Anita. 5, 6. Okay. Resting spot in the living room. Okay. You gonna pick up your blocks? Hmm. You want Mommy to open them? Okay. Hold on. There we go. And build something with your blocks. There you go. Yeah.